about a fit in the world of education and training, which also used in the professional world. Follow me. In business, as in the administrations and education, meetings are frequent. In order to facilitate these meetings, effective methods have been introduced by communication specialists. It is in the sense that using satellite and telecommunications network business, meeting and education can take place synchronously and remotely on several sites without moving. There are grouped under the term teleconferencing. Teleconferencing is all the service to all working meetings without traveling in order to promote exchange between many and dispersed stakeholders. There are four main components, which are web conference, audio conferencing, video broadcasting, video conferencing. Let's talk about video conference. What is a video conference? Video conferencing is a remote means of communication. It allows through video and audio to convey to the caller information regardless of geographical factor. Video conference is the combination of two techniques. Video telephony allows the need to see and interact with speaker. Multi-point conference for conducting meeting with more than two terminals. In practice, the term video conferencing is still used even when the interlocutors are only two. Right, let's talk about the origin of this technology. The first applications appeared in 1984, but they brought to light some problems regarding the transmission of video and audio information. These problems were finally be solved by the use of codecs. It is through the development of the internet and the emergence of such application as net meeting that video conferencing developed. How many types of video conferencing can we have? We have three types. One, original video conferencing. It was designed by audiovisual industry in the 80s and works from the outset with the telephone network. Satellite video conferencing. This technology combines satellite television and interaction between participant sites while remaining compatible with ISDN line group video conferencing conventional equipment. It offers the same image quality as TV but leads to high costs. 3. Internet video conferencing. It runs on personal computers connected to the Internet or TCP/IP local area networks. It has the advantage to being economical, but given the limited flow rates and unsecured Internet, the image is generally poor and jerky. Moreover, visibility is limited to 2 or 3 people per screen. More video conferencing via the Internet may also be extended to 3 more sites and connectable to ISDN line group video conferencing. So, what are the kind of video conferencing? Point-to-point video conferencing. It is when a site connects with only one other site. Multi-point video conferencing. At least 3 sites are interconnected. Broadcast mode video conferencing. This is the point-to-point multi-point communication. Now, let's move to the field of video conferencing applications. Businesses. The dispersion of economic action, accelerating of decision process, the globalization of trade are all valid reasons to opt for video conferencing. The general public able to communicate with family, friends or any other person in conditions close to face-to-face. The church gather a group of researchers working on a project in time and space, discussion between researchers, international project management, dissertation juries. Education. Distance education is an application specially suited to special education, either in universities to benefit from the best extant courses or as a low-cost option for continuing education for professionals using telecommunication tools. The interactive distance learning allows both on-site students and students in remote areas to take part in course, a continuing education or return. Now, let me show you video conferencing equipment and software. Video conferencing studios, facilities that exceed 150,000 euros professional fee. Video conferencing furnitures, image and sound equipment, cameras, microphones, 10,000 euros. Video conferencing kits, integrated on computer system adapted to individual uses, less than 1,000 euros. Oh, all of this kind of work without a software. Let us discover an example of software. A professional software used to implement video conferencing over the internet is QCMe. Before handing our presentation, let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of video conferences. Benefits: communicate without moving, saving movement and time, organize effective meeting by working in more productive way, increase frequency and participation. Disadvantages: possibility of privacy of information and or data exchange, high investments, costs involved, physical presence face-to-face no longer required, technical problems which can sometimes interfere with the video conference. We then have an innovative tools in education and training, but also in business and personal needs. In a nutshell, we can conclude that video conferencing is interactive TV, interactive communication of moving image and sounds, interact while seeing each other on screens. It's a solution for teaching that has advantages at the professional, financial, social, and educational levels. However, courses or meeting and remotely have some disadvantages, so it is up to each user to create a security system able to overcome these shortcomings. Thank you.